provides enhanced coherence, opportunity to extend content, and allows for in-depth study, and makes connections between school knowledge and the real world. Research shows that it leads to better acquisition of language and acquiring wisdoms. It also encourages the students to have a love for learning, remain inspired, develop intrinsic motivation, and accept challenges as they become self-directed. In theme-based learning, themes are often...
What do you get it? So it is a repeated, right? So we got is an integrated themes, right? And then there is a one thing according to the Bloom taxonomy, right? So you can have the higher level, right? Like a creative activity, you can get creative. What do you get from it? From the benefits? Right. It's connect, right? The school knowledge and the real knowledge. Right, knowing different science. Right, on the knowledge activities. So sometimes we are good at short-term memory, but they will say because you have to learn through the realistic or real object, right? To memorize and then going to the long-term memory. And what else? Right, accept challenges. If you are good at challenges, right, you can make a project based. You can make a project, yeah. Oh yeah, that's great. Anything else? So thank you, right? You are very active learners. So at first I'm really scared, but you encourage me a lot. So this is a benefit, right? Before I mentioned, nothing is flawless. So you have to make time to create this one, right? Sometimes you are not, sometimes we are very tired, right? We cannot create all the time. At the time, how will you make a lesson plan? This is a kind of like the disadvantages, right? So, however, now we are move on to the other one. Okay, now it's a pair one of so simple thematic topics. What do we learn? What do we integrate with like a topic? Like before I mentioned, right? Ordering food, like a family or something, right? Can you discuss a little bit, right? Please. You want to change the person to sometime, right? You have to talk with a lot of people with you, and then you can change with. You can go around, right? And then if you want to talk to somebody, you can talk with us. So I will collect it, right? So, hey, what kind of topic do we need to make it? The thing about it is later on we have to make like a lesson kind of sample, right? Like one time there one math teacher and one English teacher. Something like that, right? So you can choose any topic. Right now brainstorming. This is like a sum of the book. See, like a thematic approach, right? They focus only two things. One is a mind mapping, and another one is a brainstorming. So that's why you have to make a lot of brainstorming. So and then like a mind mapping, I will show you the sample, right? So just think about a little bit. What kind of topics are we going to teach? Right? By using theme-based learning approach, right? Please. Topic. Actually, they divided into the topic like that, a real world topic, right? We have a family, right? In Myanmar, we say Sawini, right? So, and then the food is a really important thing. Then the family is the very first thing. That's why when we started learning, we have to learn like a family, right? And festival too. Festival and kind of animals, right? Animals. That's why, if they are not very connected to the real world, I had this joke, right? They say, can you, in the social studies, right? Can you tell me, right, any kinds of animals you can see in your home, in your house? So, one of my neighbors' daughters in Norway, write them down, a lion. A lion. But the tiger. Tiger is that's like a crony's daughter. It's a teenager, right? I thought, I saw it. Like that. So, because they are not connected with the real things, I will write them down. A lion, we can see in the house. So this is a kind of animal. And the environment issue is nowadays very trendy topic. Right? Hey, what happened? What's the reason to cause the happens? How about the fence? Right? And you can teach it because you throw away the trash, right? Not in proper way. That's why we cut a lot of trees. That's why it's hotter. Exactly, right? So environment is in community health first. I think it is not very nowadays it's a trendy too, right? They really get any paid job, so they have to do it, right? We can talk about the jobs and then what would you want to be when you are grown up? What is your future plan? What job would you like to do? This is like a real life. The school life, right? So this is a real world topic. They already say they are related to the real topic. And how about the integrated? Before I mentioned, ordering food, read a menu, right? And then speaking, role play, ordering food, write a recipe, and listen to. Sometimes we have to do the target grammar and vocabulary, right? So from when you learn like a Cambridge, the teachers will teach like a website, right? Learning English with Cambridge. There are 177 free activities, right? At that time, there are 7 categories: main 4, listening, speaking, reading, writing, and then what else? Grammar, vocabulary, and then pronunciation, right? That's why in Myanmar we say right? So English grammar is similar to Chinese, right? Is there any Chinese teacher, right? So how about Japanese, right? Japanese grammar is almost the same with Myanmar, so you have to know that. Don't leave aside grammars and vocabulary, and then student centers. Nowadays, a lot of students want to play games, right? Sometimes I have to teach the students with the language games, right? And then they tell teacher, hey, let's play the games. So their mom said, teacher didn't teach. Right? No, stop. This is not like a Roblox or something, right? It is a game, like a right game to learn vocabulary, and then like a group work, and then project, right? It is a very trendy in the like international school like you, and we can discuss. And then if you want to create an idea, you can make a stories, right? So like a speaking, I have to create one sentence, right? Later on, they pass on, they add one more, right? This kind of activities, something like that. So this is a visual, realist, and story. So now, this is the topic right now. Because of the workshop, we need to practice, right? At the time, I would like to change a little bit things, right? So for the group, there are several English teachers, but I found three science teachers, right? So I would like you to sit, right? A few English teachers, like a two or something like that. One science teacher in each group, and then one math teacher. So could you change a little bit sitting plan, please? Thank you. One science teacher in each group and one math teacher. So if we already sit, it's okay. One science teacher in each group, and then one like the math teacher, please. So several English teachers, that's why like the two teachers in each group, or it's okay, right? So when you change the sitting plan, I have to do watch out I don't want you to have anything. So could you see very well? Like that, right? If you are the subject teacher, right? So you can do like a history, right? Comparing then and now, right? Before, you can divide it into the period or for the previous, right? In Myanmar and now, right? You can create like that, and then you can draw the timeline, right? But I never read in the article. But one of my teachers told her that, right? When we built a lot of pagodas in Bangladesh, at that time in England, they are still developing, something like that, right? You can compare with the timeline if you are teach history, right? So how about the people, how they will change it? So for the geography, nowadays they combine with the history and social studies, right? So you can talk about how to use math, making Greek or chart. Before I told in the math, you make a survey, right? How many buses would you get on, like a kinesthetic or something visual letters. So for the English, role play, stories and poems, physical education, right? Cooking, right? Art and craft.